Allow yourself to get comfortable, finding a relaxed position, and let your body relax. Feel your body supported by the chair and floor beneath you. With your eyes open or closed, welcome the environment and the sounds around you. The touch of air on your skin, sensations where your body touches the surface that's supporting it. Your body breathing and the sensations present throughout your body. Feel your body becoming more relaxed. And if you're aware of any thoughts, stress or worry, just let them be. Watch them float by like clouds in a moving sky. You will likely notice you're becoming more and more relaxed. God is love. That love surrounds me. In that love, I safely dwell. 'Tis above, beneath, within me. Love is mine, and all is well. Allow those words to settle into your being. Do you feel that love right now? God's love right now. That love is here right now. God is strength. God is light. God is joy. God is truth. Bring your mind to someone you care about. Someone it is easy to rejoice for. Picture them feeling the natural joy you have for their well-being, their happiness, and success. And with each breath, offer them your grateful, heartfelt wishes. May you be joyful. May you be strong. May your happiness increase. May your good fortune and causes for your joy and happiness increase. Sense sympathetic joy and caring in each phrase. When you feel some degree of natural gratitude for the happiness for this loved one, extend this practice to another person you care about. Locate a feeling of joy in your body. This could be a feeling of connection, well-being, peace, happiness, or any sensation that feels like joy to you. If it's helpful, bring to mind the memory of that person, an animal, a place, or object that evokes joy in you. And notice where and how you experience joy in your body. Perhaps it's a warm feeling in your heart or a glow in your belly. And welcome and allow the feeling of joy to grow and spread throughout your body. It's now time to leave this meditation and bring yourself to your heart center and the awareness of the love in this room and in your heart. All is well and perfect in this moment, this precious, precious moment. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. You can open your eyes and give your fingers and toes a wiggle. Thank you, God. All is well.